Okay, what's up YouTube? Grandmaster azumirill here, and today I have our second Smogon battle. Finally we sound. I figured out the sound, which is nice. I've been using QuickTime Player if you have a Mac and want to do this. I don't think it works on a PC. Not sure. But it should, so, let's dive into the video. I think I really want to leave Kyoto here, just because Ice Beam. Mom, the opponent's username was Evil Cheeseburgers. Now I don't want to leave Kyoto. Well, Kyoto handles. Not sure what Arceus that is, so I can't really. It handles a lot, but I think I just want to leave Berry since there's no ground types. I can just roll switch. Yeah, and Toxic Spikes wouldn't work against that thing. Either way, it might be an Arceus ground. I think that might be possible. I just want to go out into Shadow here. Yeah, Stealth Rocks, that's annoying. I don't really need a spinner, do I? Dark Void. Bad Dreams is such a good ability for Darkrai. If the only downside is it kind of forces you to use Dark Void or Hypnosis, but come on, you're Darkrai, you're gonna do Dark Void. I think I went up against someone with hacks, one of my failed videos for this one, because the Darkrai used Spatial Rend on me, so I'm not sure what was up with that. Oh my god, why does everybody keep forfeiting? Do people really rage? Whoa, this isn't even OU. So I get my free Kyoto lead, I guess. I want to Scald here. Yeah, because I can't. Oh my god! So many Rage Critters. Because I can't get, I couldn't get spikes up. I hate Rage Critters so much. There's no really ground types to stop me out here. Yeah, ground and steel stop me out. Because I get my spikes up. Firefly can match the speed, I think. Yes, it doesn't fail. There we go. Now we're good. Sky Uppercut this thing, super effective, yeah. So there we go. What was that, Life Orb? Oh yeah. I like the Shuckle. I like seeing the Shuckle because nobody really ever brings the Shuckle to a battle except my brother. I'm kidding. A lot of... Wait, I only got one spike up. Dang it. Rockers is fine. Got to 2 against this thing. Oh, it's poison. Oh, this is the Shell Smash Toxic Stall. Contrary Shell. That's what I run, at least. When I run Shuckle. Lights or screens up into contrary stall. Just like Yeah, when you get a crit with a shuckle, it does 1 damage. So, shuckle can really ruin a sweep. I'm at 4 times speed, and I can't do anything with it because of this shuckle. I mean, I can outspeed and blaze kick. No, he's only seen protect and sky uppercut. So it's the toxic! The shuckle! I want a thunderbolt. Oh, a shadow ball. Probably should have shadow. No, because either way that would still kill. But I couldn't get any damage off on Stoutland. What does Stoutland run? Not really sure. Shadow. I think I'm going to Shadow to resist Ghost. Then. Just gonna Dark Pulse. Yeah. And that's super effective. He's going to go out into the Scrafty. What's base speeds? 236. Oh, I'm max speed. I'm fine. Alright, he's poisoned. Dang it. Okay. Sword Bomb. And Drain Punch. I could have gone for Nasty Ply. Nope, I was playing stupid. I'm just gonna go straight out into our Shaman. Because Shaman wins games. Flinched. Is poison kill? No, poison kill. Okay. It's not toxic. It's not toxic. It is sadly not toxic. Because I let my guard down for and let that Barbarical get the best. I let the Barbarical get the best of me. No, I'm not gonna sing. No, I'm not gonna sing. C player Stab. Stab does good damage, but I just want to air slash this thing out. It's not like full. Nothing's foolproof with that, but it's not like really OP stall with Togekiss, but okay, the Volcarona is a problem. The Volcarona is a huge problem here. Oh, right. Wait, I thought fire is just fine. I need to watch M&J TV's type resistances. Okay. Thank you for not rage quitting. Thank you for not rage quitting. Can I check the time on the video? No. This is fun. I'll just do another one if it goes over 15. I mean, we did have all the forfeiters at the beginning, but I thought that was pretty quick. Damn it, the azumirill. Garchomp Walls. Garchomp Walls my team out. I think I'll just go for the same. It does freeze our name. Okay. I should be faster. 416. Not faster. I want to get rid of this thing. Up! What the hell? Do I have the attack? No. This thing is OP. Side strike. Alright, Aura Sphere. I probably should have just gone into Blaziken and got my speed up, but, What? Shadow's tanky? Shadow's that tanky? Oh my god. I'm gonna go out into Firefly. I cannot take this game back. And I know it. I can't. I just can't. Side Strike. Nope. Can I prod again? Do I want to prod again? Yeah. I have 2. Oh, you're sitting there. I have 2 times speed, I think. Yeah, there we go. That would be nice if I could take this game back. I don't really have anything for the guard jump. So, I think... Oh, awkward joke. I was gonna say I think I might be able to take this out, but no. Just want to go flash cannon this thing. I know I lost the match, so I'm not gonna play super competitive anymore. But, I can't stop the guard jump. No, I can't stop that. I know it's going to just go for protect. That's what any trainer does. To get speed boosts. Do I have any priority? No, that... Wait. If I go like that, then like vacuum wave?